With August Smart Lock, your phone is now your key. August lets you securely unlock and lock your door using the August app. It's that easy. You can even set August to auto unlock, so August knows when you arrive using Bluetooth. You can set it to auto lock, so when you leave, August locks the door behind you, kind of like your own personal doorman. And with August's proprietary DoorSense technology, you'll know your door is both closed and locked. Create secure temporary keys for family, friends, even service people. Grant access for a few weeks or a few hours. You decide. You never have to worry about copies of keys getting into the wrong hands again. August attaches to your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door. Installation takes minutes, and you can keep your existing lock and keys. Available on Android and iOS.
Siri, unlock my studio door.
How can door hardware make everyday life easier? What if it were simple to install, saving you time and money? Or replaced spare keys with an app? What if you never had to worry whether your kids remembered to lock the door on their way out? Everyday life gets easier thanks to the cutting-edge technology of the Schlage Sense Smart Deadbolt. Offered in a variety of styles and finishes to complement any decor, the Schlage Sense Smart Deadbolt installs easily with just a screwdriver, while providing the highest residential security rating. Once installed, the deadbolt pairs easily with your smartphone to provide a variety of access options using a secure connection. Now your smartphone is your key. Our free app makes your Schlage Sense Smart Deadbolt easy to set up, manage, and use every day. And if you're away from home and need to lock or unlock your door, Schlage offers a variety of ways to control your smart deadbolt from anywhere. For households that include Android and Apple users, the Schlage Sense Wi-Fi adapter provides easy access to your deadbolt via the Schlage Sense app. You can also pair the Schlage Sense Smart Deadbolt with a home automation system. Find all of the integration possibilities at schlage.com/sense. At Schlage, we create innovative door hardware that makes everyday life easier.